Hey, assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to the channel, and I want to talk about BitTorrent and MATIC today in one video because I'm getting a lot of requests for the coins and you guys have been awesome. Thank you so much for watching these videos, man. It means a lot. Okay, it means a lot, and I'm gonna do continue. And you guys have been requesting to do BitTorrent video, MATIC video, SHIB video, Solana video, Bitcoin video. Man, I'm losing even my breath to count how many video requests I'm getting out there. So I'm going to try to publish as many videos as I can on the channel. If you're new, like this video kindly, please, and join the Signal groups as well. Yesterday our sushi got hit. The targets got hit. We bought BitTorrent 2-3 days ago. That got hit. Some of the signals are pending and it has been disturbed because of that Bitcoin fall. Now at the moment, guys, it seems like there was a pullback yesterday. I talked about BitTorrent and I said that there could be a possible pullback, and that is happening and it's playing out right now. If I zoom out of here, possibly you can see already that we are having this trend line that has to be retested. Okay, now I'm going to tell you two level of a huge support right there. I'm going to show you this is a level of your support and the trend line itself is a level of support. So I do see this one coming a little bit down here to the 31-32 ranges right there and find support right here. If you start falling below this trend line, listen carefully. Do you see this trend line here? If you start to fall a little bit down below the trend line, then you're really gonna go even more down. So be careful with this one. Be careful. We already cashed out nearly here. We cashed out here, and I updated about BitTorrent 2-3 days ago that it was gonna go to that price level right there when we were at 35 as well. Now yesterday at 37, 0.037, I updated that it's going to have a pullback. It lost support and is looking to go for that pullback at the moment. So there's no big stories with BitTorrent at the moment. There is no any big update with it. It's looking for a pullback, and it's normal. Whenever you're actually going for a pullback, it's normal for the market because the market goes in a waveform up and down, up and down, up and down. It's absolutely normal. So the worst thing is that you have a thrust. This is known as the thrust, and this is a reaction. Okay, you're going to have another thrust in the future as well. So the thing is, sit back, hold tight. If you're already looking for if you're looking for an entry, wait for the pullback, let it come a little bit down and let it cool off a little bit. It has already pumped. It pumped all of a sudden, and that was a huge, like 76% pump. So these pullbacks are actually very normal. But let's see a potential scenario that can actually be playing for BitTorrent as well. I'm just gonna show you this potential falling wedge here. I'm gonna show you that, and these are bullish, to be honest with you. So you could have that potential falling wedge. Do you see that? Dum go down, up, and then break out. And when you break out of this falling wedge, guys, it is going to take you back to where you formed the falling wedge, which is going to be the 0.441. Now I do have a price target of 53 as well. Maybe by January, who knows, but we are gonna have it. All you have to do is really hold your nerves at the moment. So right now it seems like we're forming a falling wedge, and that's all I can say for BitTorrent at the moment, guys. And it's looking to make a not a bull flag. I don't think it's a bull flag, but on the 4-hour time frame it is a falling wedge. And equally we also have this level of support right there, and you have this trend line right here. So there's a very big area of influence right here at the 31, 32, 30 areas as well. So do anticipate that, do look for that. If you're looking for an entry, you could take a nice small entry right there, and you can look for this target and look for that target as well, considering the fact that you can enter right from here, from there to there. That could be a nice good 63%. And for the longer run, maybe in the next 2 months, by February probably, you could have a 200% increase. So it's all about holding. It's all about holding your nerve. It's all about controlling your fear as well. Don't be too much greedy. Don't be too much fearful as well. And that's it for the BTT. I'm just gonna dive into the MATIC as well here. Let's talk about MATIC, a coin that has been loved by so many investors, guys. All right, cool. Now here's MATIC. MATIC, as I said some few days ago, it is already breaking out of this ascending triangle, and when you break out of something, you could come back to retest it, which would be perfectly normal. Now what I would say is, personally, if you ever see MATIC to come down to the 1.96, that would be absolutely normal, because the ascending triangle, which is this one, the price target of that one takes you nearly to the $3.1. Do you understand that? Yes, that's a technical target of this ascending wedge right there. Now you have to be careful. If it actually starts to come down and then gets trapped into the triangle right here, that will be very, very bad. But I don't see anything like that. That was a very confirmed breakout of MATIC, and MATIC is looking to go to that price level, and then by the end of the bull market, who knows, we could go to the 6.614. If you actually come to the channel, I used to talk about MATIC when MATIC used to be at the $1.5, even $1.7, and I used to give this price target of $6 and $7 for a very, very long time. And I have a history with MATIC as well. It has been there since 2020, and I remember when it used to be down here. Do you understand that? I used to see MATIC when it was being accumulated down there. Do you see that? That was a very, very long phase of accumulation, and I do think it's repeating the same history. It could be accumulated right here. Look, people were buying here once again, and it's looking to make that leg towards the upside as well. Do you understand that? Now, let me turn on the Gaussian channel and let's see what the Gaussian channel is acting as a support, resistance. What do we have in the Gaussian as well? There could be a pullback. There could be a possible pullback. I'm not saying necessarily that it's going to go all the way to the 1.9, but what I can tell you is if it does come to the 1.9, it's normal, because the Gaussian channel, look, it's absolutely crawling up. Nearly the upper band is near the upper, support of the ascending triangle as well. So if it does come down here, take an entry, bounce from here, and then continue to that price level. You understand that? But if you're holding, keep holding. This is like a midterm view, guys. I do not trade the 1 hour time frames, not the 4 hour time frames. I like to keep myself in a medium phase, like kind of look at what a coin can do in the 15 to 30 days. That's how you make the setup. You have to be a little bit patient with the coins that you're investing in. A lot of beginners ask me, oh well, when are the coins going to pump, when are we going to reach this target, and all this kind of stuff. And kids, I mean, sorry not to say kids, we're all grown-up people, sorry for that, but the thing is, the question is wrong in itself, and I don't blame you, because I was in the same phase as you in the beginning. I used to think it's going to go up today, it's going to go up tomorrow, and then when my expectations were not met, I would say the coin is a shit coin, and then I sold it, and then I see it 15 days later going up. So that's how it is. You have to hold it, hodl. The thing is to hodl. And the question is wrong because it depends on the market. When can the market pump? We do not know. And what reason could it pump for? We do not know. We don't even know why the hell MATIC start to pump from here. But we did have the predictions that we can go all the way to the 2.5, to the 2.8, even to the 6.6. When is it gonna go? We don't know. But the setup is there, and it's gonna take time. Maybe 2 weeks, 3 weeks, 5 weeks, consolidate, then go up there. Who knows? But the thing is, once again, just keep holding it. And I do believe that this video you enjoyed that one, and I'm going to end up here. Guys, join the Discord, kindly like this video if you liked it, and I'm gonna see you with the next one. Allah Hafiz.